Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to use your transform option so that you can create a repeating process. As you can see here, we have a full looking pizza. What I originally did was start off with one slice, and then I was able to use my transform options within Adobe Photoshop to create a repeating process for me to be able then to create a full looking pizza. And what I want to do today is show you the step-by-step process of how to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get rid of that layer there, for instance. And we're going to start off with our original slice. Okay, so what I need to do now is set my guides up for me, because what I want to be able to do is position my axis point dead center in the center of this artboard page here. So if I go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout, what I want to make sure is I have 2 columns and 2 rows, and that will be the center point of my rotation. Okay, so with that layer highlighted, what I need to do now is get my transform options available for me, and the shortcut to do that is either Control-Alt-T on Windows or Command-Option-T on a Mac. Make sure you have this ticked up here, just so that you're able to now, with just a normal left click, position that axis point to a point where you like it. Fantastic. Now what I'm going to do here is come up to this option here. I could manually rotate it, but I want to rotate it by 45 degrees. Wonderful. And now we're going to double click just to say that we're happy with the rotation and final. Wonderful. Now I want to create my repeating process. So the shortcut to do that is either Control-Alt-Shift-T on Windows or Command-Option-Shift-T on Mac. And as you can see now, we have created that repeating process. And there you have it, guys. That's how you use the transform options to create a repeating process within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, really take a look at our Instagram page, some really interesting information on there and some really cool designs by our really talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.